everyone. Today we will start our second chapter of Geography Class 6. So in this chapter we will learn about our Earth, globe, imaginary line. So let's start with the learning objective. As you can see here, these are our learning objectives. We will learn about latitudes, meaning of the latitudes, important latitudes and temperature zones. Then we will learn about longitudes, meaning of the longitudes, international dateline and all. So let's start with imaginary line. Students, these latitude and longitudes are imaginary line on globe. As we have learned in our previous classes about latitudes and longitudes, that these are imaginary lines on globe to find out any location of our Earth. So here we will learn about latitudes and longitude. As you can see, these lines are horizontal and these lines are vertical. So let's learn with the one trick. Okay, so lady lines are latitudes, long lines are longitudes. It's very simple trick, yes? Okay, so latitudes are lady lines, longitudes are long line. It's just a trick, student, okay, to remember these latitude and longitude. Okay, so latitudes are imaginary horizontal lines that encircle the Earth. The equator is the central latitude which divide the Earth into two hemispheres, as we have learned already, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Latitude is the angular distance between the equator and any place north or south of it. The angles of measurement is formed at the center of the Earth. Latitudes are known as pillars. Longitudes are also imaginary lines which run north to south on the Earth. The longitudes that divides the globe into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere is called prime meridian. Longitude is the angular distance between the prime meridian and any place east or west of it. The angles of measurement is formed at the center of the Earth. Okay students, these are our important latitudes. First, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree south. Equator at 0 degree. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree north. You can see in this picture that it's our North Pole and it's our South Pole, and this is our equator. An equator divides our Earth into two hemispheres, that is, this is our North Hemisphere and this is our South Hemisphere. Okay, so we call it Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. You can see Arctic Circle, it's here. Okay, Tropic of Cancer, equator and Tropic of Capricorn at the last Antarctic Circle. So students, international date line. As we have learned important latitudes of our globe. Yes. Now we have to learn about important longitude. This is really very important. International date line. So international date line is the line where the dates changes exactly by 1 day. It is the 180 degree meridian. You can see this picture, student. Here, this is our prime meridian and the back side we will get our international date line when our earth complete one rotation, and what happened? Our date will change. Yes, so this is our international date line. Okay, it cannot be straight, and this is our prime meridian. I hope it's clear. Okay, so related to temperature zone, we will continue in the next video. Thank you, students.